welcome to my channel. It's me, Jerlisa, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we'll be doing this eye look, and it's like a very simple eye look, but it came out to be like gorgeous. Like the color in the middle, it just, you know, it really pops. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. But if you all would like to see how I achieved this eye look, and of course the rest of my face, then continue to watch. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? What's going on? How are you today? Is your day going good? Is it going bad? What is it? Let me know. Talk to me. Okay. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows, and then I will be back to you guys when I am done the brows. Okay, see you. Next, I want to go in. Okay, so no. First, I'm going to show you guys the products that I bought from. What's the name of the damn store? I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I bought from Target. Okay, because it's my favorite place. Period. So today I went to Target and I got a couple things, but I'm gonna go show you guys all the makeup items that I bought. Bought the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Momental Oily Foundation, and this is in the color 365. It's Nutmeg Muscade. So yeah, and this is 365, and this is the matte. If you didn't hear me say it before, it's the matte and poreless. So we'll see how this works. And then I bought the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the color Tan Neutral. Now, yes, I do use this, but I have the color medium sand, but I just bought the color tan neutral. I'm gonna show you guys what tan neutral looks like. This is tan neutral, the color that I usually carry, or the color that I always have. Sand. So I wanted to get a color close to my skin tone because I really like this concealer, but I can't really use it under my eyes because it's so bright. So this product I bought, I have been very interested in trying this out. I've never seen it in stores. This is the Airspun Original Formula Loose Face Powder, and this is the color Naturally Neutral 070-11, and this is just, you know, the powder that everybody talks about. It's super light. It's super neutral. It has like almost no color to it, and it smells like perfume. But people talk good about it, so I'm gonna see. Oh, and then I just picked up another Simmer Brown liner and another Baby Scott Black. So let's get into this video. And this is the e.l.f. concealer, and this is the one in medium sand. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And this is going to be my eyeshadow base. This is the matte book from from the crayon case. And I'm going to take the white shade. I'm going to take it on this brush. This, I don't know how to explain this brush. This is just like a small blending brush. And I got it from AliExpress. I got this set from Amazon. White is the top, tippy top. And I'm going to use this. We'll see how I do it. Okay, so. And with this white shade, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges with this white shade. Sometimes your colors, they will still leave you like this, you know, not looking blended, but you just gotta figure out a way to make sure everything's blended. Okay, so next I'm going to go with this NYX eyeshadow base. Oh shucks, hope I'm focused, y'all. Hope I'm focused. There we go. And this is just the white one. And I'm just going to take this and take a flat brush like this. And this brush is from You Spicy. And You Spicy is a brand that's on Amazon and AliExpress. Well, I don't know if it's on AliExpress, but I know it's on Amazon. And these, I bought this set for about $20. It was a 32 piece for $20. I don't know what kind of purple this is, but I'm laying down this purple. I'm gonna take this white shade in this crayon case palette. I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. eyeliner in the color Jet Black, and I'm just going to line my eyes. Well, next, this is like my skincare routine. I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Eye Balm, and it looks like this. I don't know if it comes in a bigger container, but this is the one that I have. And I'm just going to take that and dot that under my eyes. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I'm going to take my Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer with aloe and green tea extract from Trader Joe's, and just put some dabs all on my face, just a little bit. The foundation that we are trying out today will be the Maybelline, the one that I showed you guys in the beginning, the Maybelline Poreless or Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm gonna shake it up a bit, and again, this is a color in 365. Okay, so I'm going to apply this with a sponge. So I'm just gonna pour this on here like this. Oh, too much. I don't know if I need a lot or if I don't need a lot. I'm gonna take a little bit of this off. This is how much I have on. About the color. make sure you are taking whatever tool you use to put your foundation on to blend out the edges of your concealer. Now we're going in to our forehead, and then we're going contour is because it has a red undertone. So if my foundation is like too yellow or something, like it really helps balance it out. Next, I'm going in with this Watch Me Blush palette from Crayon Case, and I'm going in with this cranberry color. Look at that cranberry color, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to take this brush, and this came in a set from, I don't know if this is AliExpress or Amazon, but one of those. Next, I want to take this You Spicy brush. This is my favorite You Spicy brush. This is a blending brush, and y'all, when I say this blends everything out so perfectly, like it's not a joke. Yeah, next we're going in with setting spray. And again, this is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Sets. Okay, come through foundation. Yeah, I'm feeling this foundation, like no cap, I'm feeling it. Okay. Next, we're going in with the Crayon Case again, and this time we're going into the composition book, and I'm taking this shade up here, and it's called Trophy, and I use it a lot, as you can see, and I'm going to highlight with this shade. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait for y'all to see this. Y'all ready? Are you ready? Ready, set. This is definitely like a blinding highlight. So if you are like going outside, baby, you don't need a lot of this because it's blinding. The Festival by Juvia's Place. It up here. Yuli? hope I'm not saying that wrong, but I'm gonna take that shade on this flat brush. This is the brush I use to apply the white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to guys, this is the final look. This is what we came up with. I thank you all so much for watching this video, trying these products out with me today. I don't have a full review, of course, because it's my first time trying these products, but give me like a good month and I'll get back to you guys on like the actual reviews for these products. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.